सुरक्षा निर्देश पत्र आपके सीट पॉकेट में रखा है, इसे ध्यान से पढ़ लें। जो अतिथि ओवरविंग द्वारों पे बैठे हुए हैं, उनसे निवेदन है कि वे इन द्वारों की संचालन विधि को ध्यान से पढ़ें और समझ लें। धन्यवाद। Dear guests, may we have your attention please? We will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. Your safety is our utmost concern, and as the safety features may differ from other aircrafts, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling the strap. To open, lift the flap and pull the ends apart. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this automatically drop from the compartment above you, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life jacket is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate your life jacket. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life jacket has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on when in contact with water, and here's a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. 2 main doors in the rear of the aircraft, 4 over the wings, and 2 main doors in the forward of the aircraft. At this time, please note the emergency exit closest to you. Remember, the closest exit may be behind you. If smoke is present, please keep low and follow the fluorescent path to the nearest exit. A copy of this safety information card is placed in the seat pocket in front of you. Please read it carefully. Guests seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety information card. Thank you for your attention. नमस्कार, कृपया ध्यान दें, ये एक महत्वपूर्ण घोषणा है। यदि आपातकालीन स्थिति में कैबिन के दबाव में कमी होने के कारण ऑक्सीजन नकाब आपकी कुर्सी के ऊपर लगे पैनल से बाहर आए, तो आप ऑक्सीजन नकाब का उपयोग करने से पहले अपना फेस मास्क और फेस शील्ड हटा दें और तुरंत ऑक्सीजन नकाब को अपनी ओर खींचें और नाक और मुंह ढककर सामान्य ढंग से सांस लेते रहें। सक्रिय होने के बाद ऑक्सीजन बैग का पूरी तरह से फूला ना होना सामान्य है। धन्यवाद। Dear guests, may we have your attention please? This is an important announcement. In case of loss of cabin pressure, you must remove your face mask and face shield before using the cabin oxygen mask. Oxygen flow will start once the mask is pulled. Please note it is normal for the oxygen bag not to fully inflate after activation. Thank you.
Where is it gone now? Okay. There must be a plane coming for landing. Oh, there. Nice.
Take off before us.
Yeah. There are 2 Dreamliners behind us. Yeah, Virgin might take off before us. Very cool.
Will crew be seated for takeoff?
Or maybe we're taking off first. How do you know? They just said. The Dreamliners are coming. There's actually one behind now. Vistara wants taxiing to gate. Yeah, I'm recording.
को बोल दे।
Yeah, there. should take off now. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, it's taken off now. Now we're taking off. There's a Dreamliner behind us.
हेलो बाबू जी, नमस्कार। बाबू जी, वो बीडीओ ऑफिस सरकारी स्कूल है ना अपना? बीडीओ ऑफिस पे सरकारी स्कूल है, एमसीडी वाला। हाँ जी हाँ जी, 5 बैग सीमेंट के जाएंगे बाबू जी उसमें। हाँ, पेमेंट एक बार मेरे पास भिजवा दो पर्चा, लेकिन मैं तो अमरनाथ के लिए हाजी फ्लाइट में बैठा हूँ, बिल्कुल ये समझ लो। नहीं, मैं तो अमरनाथ के लिए आज फ्लाइट में, अभी फ्लाइट के अंदर ही अमरनाथ जा रहा हूँ, फ्लाइट के अंदर बैठा हूँ। हाँ नहीं, सीमेंट बैग तो भेज दो, काम तो चल रहा है ना वहाँ पे। हाँ, सीमेंट आके हिसाब कर लेंगे वो, अगर फिर भी हिसाब भेज दो। ऐसा है अगर स्वामी, ठीक है बाबू, ठीक है।
The main terminal there. Should be taking off now. Yeah, I think we're taking off now.